Hey guys, it's Brittany and today I have another wig review for you guys. Today's wig review is brought to you by IamAhair.com. So they actually sent me, I think, 4 of the new Sensational wigs, and I'm going to be reviewing them for you guys over the course of the next week or so. So stay tuned for that. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe and turn on the notifications so you'll be notified every time that I do another upload. The first one that I'm going to bring to you guys is Sensational's Empress Lace wig. This is from their stocking cap custom lace wig line. They had one a couple years ago, but I never tried that line. I don't think I did. It has a 6-inch parting space, pre-plucked, and it has baby hair, so they've been taking notes from you know, frontals and stuff like that. It has a natural hairline, and I have the style body wave, and I have it in a number 4. This is what it looks like on the model. That's how it looks on the model. I am filming in my in front of my makeup vanity right now, so you probably won't pick up on the number 4, but it is like a very like brown chocolate number 4. It's probably gonna come off like a number 2 on the screen, but it's actually a really like chestnut brown color. Here's that 6 inches of parting space that you get. It says that it's pre-plucked. You get baby hairs around the perimeter, and then you get like a area of parting space. I mean, you get like some lace to cut off, but it's not that much. It doesn't go all the way ear to ear. It's probably like, I'm gonna say like 4 inches of lace that you have on the front. This is the inside of the cap. 2 combs around the parting space, a comb in the back, and adjustable straps. And if you guys are wondering, did I film this makeup look? I did not. As I am filming this video, it is 11 o'clock at night, and I just got inspiration. I just wanted to do my makeup, and I didn't want to have to, you know, film it. But if you guys do like this look, I could film it in the future for you guys. So anyway, this is a stocking cap, like the mesh material on the interior of the cap. And unlike a wig that I reviewed recently, it doesn't have like that hair plug look, which is nice. So with the mesh cap, it does make it more breathable. So I'm just gonna try it on without manipulation so you guys can see what that looks like. All right, so this is what the wig looks like unmanipulated. Right now I'm not liking how it looks, but that just means I'm gonna have to put a lot of work into making it look right. But you can't always judge a wig fresh out the pack. We'll see what we can do. I'm gonna cut the lace off and then come back and style it on camera. Alright guys, so I'm back and I have applied the wig. I initially was starting out by like gelling the baby hairs that came with the wig down, but then I just brushed them back into the hair because They were looking a little bit too artificial. What you can do is you can, you know, cut your baby hairs that come with the wig and then thin them out with a tweezer. But I just wanted to just wear it without the baby hairs. This is what that 6 inches apart in space looks like. Looks pretty good. I'm gonna get into the cons first, and then I'll tell you what I do like about this wig. So some cons that I do have about the wig is around the parting space, I do have a lot of kind of hump action. My hair is freshly braided. I have like 12 cornrow braids in my hair, so my hair is really flat. So it's not my hair, it's the wig. It has some hump action at the top, but I think with mousse and a brush or turning it inside out for a day or two will fix that. I also have some puckering at the back of the wig, like where the end of the 6-inch part ends. It's like a hump at the end of that part. You probably can't see it, but it's making the wig like hump out, and you probably can see that, but that kind of bothers me too. Which those two things are kind of major to me, but I do feel like they can be fixed. You can wear this to the side, and in a second I'm gonna test it out and see what it looks like as a side part. What I do like about it is I do like the texture of it, and I think it's a pretty like effortless kind of style. I do a lot of body wave textured human hair wigs, so this could be a nice alternative to a human hair body wave wig. Fits comfortably on my head. I do have a wig grip on, so I'm gonna assume that this is like a medium to large cap, because I do feel like I have extra space in the cap, so I'm gonna say it's a medium to large cap. It falls on me. I'm 6 feet tall, so I'm gonna say this is about 18 to 20 inches long. So there's the front. Here's the side. Here is the right side. And here's all the hair to the back. And you'll probably see that pucker at the end of the parting space in the back. So I do think this style is very pretty, so I'm gonna check and see how it looks as a side part. Alright guys, so here's what the side part looks like. I do like it as a side part and the middle part. The only thing that like I'm starting to enjoy middle parts a lot more than side parts, only because like I wear false lashes a lot, and when I do side parts a lot of times the hair like falls on the lash and then it starts to lift. So I do find that a little bit annoying, but that's just a preference thing. But as a side part, I feel like it looks very like glamorous. So if you want like a cheaper alternative, like I said, to human hair body wave wigs, this could be a good option for you. I told you the cap size was medium to large. Do I have shedding? I do have some shedding. Yeah, I do have some shedding with this wig. It's like moderate shedding. I have gotten some tangling. My hands don't just glide through. I do have a little bit of tangling at the ends with this wig already. This is what the luster looks like. It doesn't have like a, you know, a bad like artificial luster to it. Especially once you brush it out, it doesn't have an artificial luster to it in my opinion. Texture to me is like a yucky texture. It doesn't feel, you guys can see that tangling already, but it doesn't feel like it's a silky texture to me. I feel like it's a yucky texture. Overall, I do actually like it. I wasn't feeling it like fresh out the pack, and a lot of times you can't judge a wig fresh out the pack, as you guys know. So you do have to, you know, work with it a little bit. But I think it looks very glamorous, and I just keep looking at my eye makeup. Like it's it's almost 12 o'clock at night, and I did this makeup look like an hour ago, and I really like it. So yeah, if you like the makeup look, let me know and I'll try to recreate it on my channel for you guys. If you do like this wig, head over to iamahair.com and purchase it there. Again, I'm going to be reviewing 3 more of the units from Sensational's newest collection, and so stay tuned for that. Subscribe if you haven't, turn on your notifications, and I want to thank I Am a Hair for sending me this wig to review for you guys, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.